Yeah, it's a first visit to Chandigarh University. Amazing campus and outstanding hospitality. And I love the interaction so far with the faculty and the students. One thing I like specifically about the students, very energetic, and every student I met, they have done something additional to what being taught or what their regular curriculum is. So that's really outstanding to know, and good to interact with all of the students so far.
Capgemini selects 24 CU students this year. With the placement session 2019 at its peak, Chandigarh University is leaving no stone unturned to bring the best companies to the campus. French multinational corporation that provides consulting, technology, professional and outsourcing services, Capgemini visited Chandigarh University campus for the 8th consecutive year and recruited 24 students at a hefty package of 6.8 lakhs per annum.
As I come back from the south, there are various very great universities there, but I very well wanted to come to the north, and as I got to know about this university, about their placements and also the training that they provide to prepare us for the industry is tremendous. We were trained, we were provided various seminars, and the training was rigorous. We got insights about the industry, about the difficulty level and about the procedure during the placements. When I got to know that Capgemini was coming to the campus for recruitment, I was pretty impressed by the designation and the package that they were providing for the same. And that day I had decided that I have to get into this organization. I prepared hard for the online test because the competition was high enough. Around 2,700 students were participating and only 56 were left after the online tests. I cracked the interview, the technical as well as the HR interview, and I am here right now, placed at Capgemini as senior analyst with a package of 6.8 lakhs per annum.
As I am from non-technical background, so it is very difficult for me to take admission into Chandigarh University Computer Science Department. Initially, I faced a lot of difficulties in learning the things because these all things are very new for me. Then I took help from my teachers, students and my batchmates, my roommates. These all are very friendly with me and very cooperative with me. They help me a lot in learning these things. I came to know that the study is not only key to success. Then I took part in many events organizing in Chandigarh University. I was the president of American Chemical Society Student Chapter in Chandigarh University and the Androbot Club in Chandigarh University. I organized many events in these clubs and it helped me a lot to learn new different things. And then the placement era started in Chandigarh University, and then I came to know about Capgemini is coming in our campus. I go to his profile and skills required for this, and I found that I had the relevant skills for the company, and the profile is what I wanted. Then I started preparing for the Capgemini and I cracked the interview of the Capgemini.
My father worked as a production manager in dairy industries. My mother cleared my fundamental basics so that I got no difficulties in future. Then after doing 12, I joined this Asia's fastest growing university, Chandigarh University, which has a lot of opportunities for the freshers, even in terms of seminars, workshops or any help that we want. At the beginning of my second year, I got dedicated toward my studies and projects much more. I made projects on cognitive learning in kids, predictive analysis in Lok Sabha election, and recently I am working in cryptographic analysis. Then after all these things, as we all know, the 4th year got started and this is so called the placement season. On 29th of July, Capgemini, a French multinational corporation, I got chance to sit in that company. I cracked all my 4 rounds and had interviewed on 30th, and fortunately on 31st the result get announced and I got selected.
I've always been fascinated by technology and have believed it has the power to change the lives of people for the good. I got to know about Chandigarh University from one of my friends and learn about the different programs and trainings they offer, and also the impeccable placement record. And that's why I decided to choose Chandigarh University to pursue computer science and engineering. And I am glad that I did, because it offers programs ranging from innovation to development to entrepreneurial skills through its technology and business incubator. And now I feel glad that I have improved as a person, as a human being, and I have been on a great journey to become an engineer. And now I am placed in a French multinational IT giant, Capgemini, and I am one step closer to achieving my dream.
I belong to a middle class family, जहाँ पे सिर्फ सपने देखना आसान है, उसे पूरा करना नहीं. Same was the case with my father. who want to pursue engineering but was not able to pursue engineering due to his financial condition. So he dreamed that I can be an engineer. There were many other colleges that were in front of me, but I decided that I will go to Chandigarh University because its fees was quite nominal and I was getting a scholarship in it. So when I came to the 4th year, the placement season was getting started. When Capgemini came to our campus, I was able to clear all the rounds of the Capgemini, but the result was going to be announced one day later. So I was not able to sleep the whole night. I was awake in the night that whether I am going to selected in Capgemini or not. But when the result was announced, I was very happy that I was going to be a part of Capgemini India.
I think the college is already doing great. I think one of the things which we want to encourage students and have probably mentoring for the students about the career options and path. Yes, students should know what are the career options and path available for them, and having a little bit more focus on data science. We should probably invest more in that area. And as Capgemini, we'll see how best we can invest from our side as well.
Think placements. Think Chandigarh University.